Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. My name is Dylan. Thank you for coming by. Huge update today. Uber and Lyft stocks are crashing. They are tanking and people are upset. So we're gonna get into the video. Please thumbs it up so more people can see it. And make sure you're subscribed to the channel. We're closing in on 100,000 subscribers, so help us get there. And without further ado, I want to get right into this, and I want to tell you all about our sponsor, Solo. Solo is an app that helps drivers make more money, manage their income, help drivers with taxes, and even in some areas give you guaranteed pay. So when you go out and drive, you actually make a guaranteed amount of dollars. So for a limited time, when you sign up with our link, they're gonna give you $10 simply for signing up for free anywhere in the country. Get started for free, link your gig account, and you're gonna get 10 bucks. So let's get started. Uber and Lyft shares are tanking after the Post's report on rideshare hiring freeze. Listen to this. Uber is doing hiring cuts. Lyft shares have tumbled in pre-market trading on Wednesday following the Post's report that it had implemented a hiring freeze, and Uber wasn't spared from the pain. Shares of Lyft were down 3.2%, while Uber had fallen 1.2% about an hour before the market was set to open on Wednesday morning. They inched higher closer to the bell. Guys, this is not the first time that we've heard bad news about Uber. We've heard a lot of bad news about Uber and Lyft lately. And quite frankly, it doesn't excite me to be an Uber driver. It doesn't excite me to be a Lyft driver because there's so much bad stuff going on. Like many other companies, and there's a huge lawsuit, by the way, with behind Uber. Check that out right now. That just got, we just did a video on that. Like many other companies navigating an uncertain economy, we're pausing hiring for all US-based roles through the end of the year. That's 2 months where they're not hiring anybody. You know, companies fire people all the time and lay off people all the time. They're probably laying off people, firing people, but no hiring. Uber said in May that it was slowing hiring and tightening its belt to weather an economic downturn, but has not announced a full hiring freeze. Nonetheless, Wall Street often evaluates Uber alongside Lyft since the companies have similar businesses. So basically because Lyft's down, Uber's down as well. But Uber also said they were slowing hiring as well, so they're basically both in the same boat. In May, both Uber and Lyft announced plans to slow, but not freeze hiring. Lyft also laid off several dozen employees in its car rental division in July. Wow, interesting. Sorry. Moves by the companies to turn corporate headcount do not affect drivers because the companies classify them as contractors rather than employees. So if you're an Uber driver or a Lyft driver, or if you're thinking about becoming one, your job will still be there. They're just stopping hiring the employees, the workers at the corporate offices, or even, you know, the remote full-time employees, stuff like that. So this is big news, my friends. Let me know your thoughts on this one. And do you think, you know, they're gonna stop hiring drivers soon? Are drivers gonna be hitting the, you know, I can't talk today. Are drivers gonna be suffering next? We'll put it that way. So, and how does this affect drivers? And how does this affect you as a worker for Uber? And, so anyways, I'm gonna end the video here. Check out Solo with our link below. You're gonna get $10 simply for signing up with our account or with our link and linking your account, and you can start getting help with your business, your finances, make more money, and get guaranteed pay when you use our link below for Solo. Get your 10 bucks. I'll talk to you soon. Bye now.